encountered quite a road bump. Quite a road bump indeed. Let's see here. So, it occurred to me, of course, okay, so the plan was, here's what the plan was. The plan was, oh, you know, people can provide their own sound files, of course, obviously. The problem is, I don't know how many of y'all have ever tried to do any sort of file management with WebGL, but it's truly a hellscape. Oh, I'm not moving my neck at all today. My neck is pretty much 90% healed from yesterday. If y'all don't know or remember, don't follow me on Twitter. So last stream we did the neck cracking thing, and I was testing it by throwing my neck around. Even that was kind of hurt just now. Big mistake. Huge. I woke up the next day and my neck was absolutely destroyed. All day. So Tom, the plan was not for this to be a web app in what you think of. The plan was for this to be a OBS browser source. But yeah, my neck does feel 1,000 times better. And I just created a test. We're gonna find out if it can even read, because we just need to read. We just need to read the sound files. So 1 second. Oh, and also I should mention that it kind of does. WebGL almost does. And the actual weirdest thing about this is that there's apparently a way to go around it using a PHP thing, but so the weirdest thing about this is that OBS, the browser that OBS uses, is it's weird as well, so it sort of adds an extra level of insanity to it. But 1 second. Neck crack. Also, I'm exhausted. I'm very tired. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night, and also I did a lot of work yesterday. Am I in the right folder right now? What am I looking for? What is it called? Oh, it's at the bottom. This one. Okay, come on, fingers crossed. Oh, that's not good. It should be showing me a list of the files. Yeah, so... worst case scenario, I guess... Oh, I really don't want to do that, though. I'll figure something out. We'll... steam ahead, I guess. I found this tutorial for, like, oh yeah, you can use this, like, PHP script to, like, access outside files using WebGL, and I was like, interesting. The thing is, the annoying thing is, it's not even outside. It's in the streaming assets folder of this, you know, project, but, you know, that's still reading data. I'm dying a little inside. Every time I have to use WebGL, I die a little inside. But it's so convenient. I wish Unity properly supported it, though. That would be nice. That'd be really nice. I would appreciate that greatly. Actually, the funny thing is about this is that it's not even... like, when I tested this in browser just now, it's not even, like, the reading of the file that's an issue. It's literally just... apparently it doesn't have the streaming assets path. Which is super weird. This is so painful. God, I hate this. Wait, what is this? What did I just click on? This is an article. Reading data from JSON file located in streaming assets. Android way. So unhelpful. So unhelpful. So unhelpful. God. I found a blog in Chinese. Yeah, no. That's I don't know how to pronounce your name. Plus Laron. So I'm trying to access user provided files. That's the problem. Pluseron? Nice. I'm a good guesser. Anyways, whatever. We're just gonna ignore that for now. This might have to be a standalone app, which would suck. Big. Is this like one of those things on Twitch where you get a 7 throws things people? Not exactly. This would be pure. This app is purely on the streamer side. Basically, the whole idea of this app is that the streamer can say, okay, random example, every time I blink, make a ding noise. So this would be helpful. So the original point of this app was every time you crank your neck, it makes a neck breaking sound, which we successfully finished, by the way. And then I was a stupid dummy dumb and didn't actually save that version of the project. So it's kind of a do or bust now. But then someone suggested that I genericize it and just make it so that the user can submit any sort of data they want. So for instance, let's say they have like bells in their hair, or you know, bells on their costume. Every time they move, the bells go ding ling ling ling, something like that. Right? I think it's a cool idea. It's a cool idea if I can get it to work. And I don't think this is a usable application unless it's an OBS browser source or an OBS source in general. I wouldn't use this unless it was an OBS source, because then I can control the volume completely separately from everything else. And it's one less thing that people have to open up when they start streaming. I have to open up so much stuff already, and I've streamlined as much as possible. I have a bat file. I have a few bat files actually for different kinds of streams that open up my OBS, that open up VTube Studio, that open up, I have my own Node.js server that runs as long as I'm streaming, that does a lot of weird stuff. Like, oh, I just realized, anyways, it does a lot of random stuff, like if you guys type certain things in chat, like yay or something. Yeah, I mean, exactly. I'm designing it around usability, of course, because I want people to use it. It also makes my these little things RGB. Anyways. Yeah, like yay. There you go. That's one of them. And like I mentioned, I'm pretty exhausted. So my brain's gonna stall quite a lot during this stream, and I tried to mitigate it as much as possible. I drank a Pepsi this morning. It didn't do a lot. Well, you know, Plesseron, they say that the best programmer is a lazy programmer. That's honestly extremely true of me. The problem is I'm so lazy I don't want to program. Some things. I'm getting a lot better about it. As programming just, like, you know, becomes more ingrained in me and more, you know, just natural to my form of being, I do get better about it. But today is a lot of tedium, to be honest. Even completely disregarding all this file stuff that I'm gonna have to deal with at some point. We have quite a bit of tedium to deal with. I need to mostly design this UI stuff because the actual functionality is already there. So now we have to actually get the data from the UI and basically connect the UI with what the user's doing. Sorry, I might be listening to music at the same time to just kind of keep my brain moving. Yeah, okay. Anyways. Uh-oh, there it is, okay. Oh, this was my test. I just ran a simple test to see if I could actually read what files were in the streaming assets folder. Can't, so that's cool. Screwed right off the bat. But like I said, we'll deal with that later. Let's say right off the bat that we have a list of strings that represent sound files. Okay. This is gonna be kind of the overarching, like, manager of all of the different settings that people have. And then this audio trigger is gonna be the, oops. Oh god, there we go. This audio trigger is gonna be a single group of settings. So for instance, if I wanted to have, okay, every time my tail wags, make a sound, and every time my hair flies, make a whoosh sound, and those are two different sets of settings. So this is one. Oh, I also added another type. So before it was just based on movement. So like if something accelerated, that was essentially, or if something was moving fast, that was the only way to detect it. Now, you can also just say if it hits a certain value, then like make that sound. I also made it so that you can check both input and output parameters. However, I haven't actually properly implemented that. So it doesn't actually get them from VTube Studio, so I need to fix that. Yeah, wait 1 second. Okay, anyways. So yeah, it doesn't actually track it by value yet because it doesn't... Yeah, by value seems pretty useful, right? Hey, Eitan! I always stutter because I don't know whether it's supposed to be Atan or Eitan. Always fun seeing other programmers' code. You know, to be honest, now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know if I've really watched any or any other programming streams. I'm sure I have. I certainly don't remember it though. Huh. Weird. Okay, anyways. Atan? Okay, I'm gonna try to remember that. It messes me up that like people, like some VTubers use like Japanese pronunciation for like, you know, like the soft vowels and stuff for their names, and some VTubers use like the... Oh, it screws me up so bad. It's like I can remember your name. Whether I can remember how to pronounce it is a whole other story. Streamer I watch is also a programmer, but they don't like to stream programming. I mean, I won't say I don't like to stream programming, but it is very stressful. Streaming programming is both difficult and stressful. Because you have to have like many parts of your brain working at the same time. at you know, doing totally different things. And it also doesn't help that I spent the entirety of yesterday. A for Anna. A for Anna. Hey, Anna. Yeah, it doesn't help. Okay, you don't care either way. See that? Okay, I hate when people say that they don't care how their name is pronounced. I'm like, I don't care that you don't care. You need to tell me how to pronounce it. Am I funny while being productive? I haven't written a single line of code yet today. I'm already 20 minutes in. It is so hard. It's so hard. There was someone a while back. I don't think they stream anymore. But they said like, "Oh, Lua, I was inspired to start streaming programming because of you." And then they did like a test stream and they were like, "That was hard." And I don't know if they ever streamed again. I don't know what happened to them. I hope they're still around. But anyways, the first thing we need to do is get, I don't have it set up at all to get the live2D parameters, so we need to get live2D parameters. Oh, I did do that. Oh wait, I did do it. I killed them? No! Maybe, you know, actually, this is random. This is kind of unrelated. I did make my own model, yeah. But people tell me that I make things look easy. Like, it's not, it actually it's mostly been told to me in terms of playing tennis. I'm not a good tennis player, by the way, but I guess the way I play tennis makes it seem sort of effortless. But the reason, I'm here to tell you that the reason it seems effortless is because I'm so lazy that I have to conserve energy when I play tennis. So people will say, "Oh, Lua, you make it seem like so effortless when you play tennis." And I'm like, well, first of all, I'm not playing well. You can see that. But anyways, I've been told that about a few things that I do, that like I just make it seem easy, but I'm just really good at acting, maybe. I think maybe I'm just quite good at acting. Wait, did I have an if connected? I guess I'll do that here. So where's my fixed update? There you are, baby. Why is it scrolled so... I don't know why this is so small. That's idle power? Interesting. Interesting perspective. Oh, right. I didn't actually implement where it actually grabs. No, I did do that. Wait, huh? Then why is it saying it's not being used? Huh? I guess I'm never grabbing the data, so I need to write a... if this one contains key, parameter, name, then return that. Easy peasy. Lemon scursy. Okay. Tennis in general looks easy, but it's really not. I like tennis because really there's quite a small square of space that you have to run in. Unless you were my friend who, I had a friend on the tennis team where her main sport was soccer. And she was not very good at tennis, but she would get every single ball because she could run fast enough to go get it. If you kept sending that ball to opposite sides of the court, she would get it every time until she literally like fell and would totally burn herself, like totally scratch herself up. Yeah, programming is pretty similar, that you first of all need a lot of energy and a lot of brain power. Let me drink some water real quick. Yeah, you either make progress and don't talk, or talk and don't make progress. I mean, exactly what I'm doing right now, huh? Anyways, I think I should be able to actually get the parameter value now, so that's cool. And I can get it. I have, see a lot of dynamic expression changes. Oh, in my model? Yeah. I've been told I'm quite expressive. In real life and in VTuber form. Let's see here. Okay, so I'm getting the value the same way no matter what, so that's cool. So I don't have to do this weird thing that I was gonna do. Perfect. Joayo. Lua the expressive. I like that moniker. Okay, so if, oh, I don't need to do that. Wait, oh, that's wild. Ooh, I love this song. Is my ahoge inspired by Dog's Tale? That's an interesting perspective. I didn't... My ahoge is my ahoge. But maybe subconsciously. It does kind of wag a little bit. I just think it's cute, yeah. If anything, it's because when I draw dogs, specifically golden retrievers, I always add a little tuft on the top of their heads because they're so fluffy. So fluffy. They're so fluffy. I bet you guys didn't even notice that my ahoge is that. Isn't that cool? Oh, I didn't do that quite right. Wiggles ahoge seductively at you. Whee! Yeah. Okay, anyways. Oh, wait. Also, I only did it for one stream, but I did something fancy. I added another ahoge. It's a little jankier. A lot of tweaking and testing? Yeah, I would say so. I think that's fair. The ahoge is Lua. Oh, it's like the Eddie Murphy movie. What is it called? Meet Dave. I like these ones. Covers a lot of the screen though. Oh. There we go. Okay, back to work. I kind of want to just loop this song. There we go. Hey. So many Luas, so many Luas. I mean, even, Maid Lua. Hoo. Kairi desaimashita, Gojin-sama. Quick change. It's a skill of mine. Anyways. If... So many Luas, so little time. Yeah. Wow. I have to do the most simple of simple math, and I cannot do it. Where's Game Jam? 2 hours of sleep under the desk, Lua? right now. You're looking at her. I can't think of how to do this extremely simple math. Okay, brain, focus. All I'm trying... I don't even want to tell you what I'm trying to do because it's so simple. And it's gonna be embarrassing that I can't think of how to do it right now. So let me just massage my brain a little bit, okay? It's a good warm-up. It's a good warm-up for this whole stream because we have a lot of work to do. Okay. I take that value. I guess. Is my name related to the language? Sure. I mean, I can't explain it. I was just wondering, I think I know how to do it, but I was just wondering if there's a way that's more elegant. This can't be right. This can't be right. Oh, it's not min. It'd be the value. Oh. Yeah. Okay, I know what to do. Data dot value. Nope. Plus data dot sensitivity. You're impressed with my hand tracking VTUBER service something. Yeah, I need to finish that. My elite motion hand tracking thing is actually fairly close to being finished, but there's some quirks I'm having a very difficult time solving. Mostly the elbow rotation and like the rotation of values that wrap is also a hand rotation. It's really kicking my butt. It's really kicking my butt. I'm not the strongest at linear algebra or 3D math, so oopsies. No, is... Oh. I figured it out. Okay, I knew there was an easier way to do this. I knew there was an easier way to do this. I knew there was an easier way to do this, and that's why I was being so annoyed with myself. Data.sensitivity. Okay, my brain's warmed up now. That's all I was trying to do. Okay. Yeah, do this. Although, a more elegant way to do this would be this. Oh boy. So I only have to change code in one spot instead of two. There you go. It's not the same wait. Oh. This is wrong. Oh, wait. Those are the same conditions. That can't be right. know what I did wrong. No. This is wrong. This is wrong. Damn it! Okay, I'll tell you what I'm trying to do. All I'm trying to do is check if value D is within... I mean, I know I can do it like this. Okay, look, I know I can do it like this. I can go, data.value plus sensitivity, or data sensitivity is, greater than d.value, but, oh, and data.value. I think this is the right math, but I thought there was a much more elegant way of doing this, and I'm sure that I know there is. I'm just trying to find out if D is within. Yeah, threshold sensitivity is a threshold from the d.value point. Data.value. I named these badly, I'll be honest. I should name this V. Although verbally, when I'm telling you this, it will sound the same. So, oh, what I said was right? And this is wrong. Oh, the only difference is that it's the reverse. Kind of. Whatever. Like this? My brain's so bad now. I guess it doesn't matter either way, really. Since I'm taking the absolute value. Damn it, I keep typing it. Huh. I don't need to do this as a switch. My brain's so bad. Especially right now. Oh. I don't even have Beppis next to me. I need Beppis though. I need more Pepsi so bad. I need caffeine desperately. I do have a donut here though. I splurged. I splurged this morning. Not only did I get myself a very fancy omelet, but I also got myself donuts. I never get donuts. I never get donuts. Oh, but by golly, are they delicious. Only cake donuts, though. I only eat cake donuts. Dr. Pepper? Oh, that's good for caffeine. It has so much caffeine. Dr. Pepper! That's inspired. That's absolutely inspired. What are cake donuts? So cake donuts are donuts that they're not fried. They're just basically like cake that has been baked in a donut mold. But honestly, they're very similar to like regular donuts, but they're like more crispy instead of just like squishy. I actually don't really like fried breads. So like churros, funnel cake, donuts are all a no-go for me. I don't really know why. Because they're like the only sweets that I don't like, really. Is it? No. they're still fried, but they're made of cake instead of dough? I don't think so. I'm Googling this now. Cake donut recipe. Now you're freaking me out. Oh my god, you do fry them. My whole life is a lie. You fry cake donuts? Well, I guess cake donuts are the I like one fried bread. Yeah, the exception. That's the word. The other problem with churros for me is that I don't really like cinnamon. I guess all donuts are fried. I was always under the impression that cake donuts weren't fried. But you know what? I think I thought that because I'm pretty sure that like the Hostess cake donuts aren't fried. Right? Those little donut holes you buy and stuff. Those aren't fried, right? They're also crispy. Cake donuts are so crispy. So the one that I have right next to me is a pumpkin, they call it pumpkin spice. But I'm not really in the mood because it's cold now as opposed to like so I got two. When I bought the donuts, I got two. I got a chocolate and I got this pumpkin spice. And I ate the chocolate one right after breakfast and oh my god, it was so good. It had chocolate chips in it, and because it was still warm, the chocolate chips were melted, so it was almost like it was fudge filled. Oh my god, it was so good. Some donuts are good. Anyways. Oopsies. What button did I just click? Oh, get component in children. Also, I think I'm getting sick. Purely from just like not sleeping. Oopsies. And because the weather's been really weird here. Just try to kiss you. In love with you. Na, 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 na. Yeah, yeah, yeah. One of your favorite desserts is green tea ice cream? Ooh. Now, see, I understand the appeal of green tea ice cream. Like, I very much understand, like, the bitterness of the green tea with the sweetness of the ice cream. I'm all here for that. Unfortunately, I don't like green tea. I don't like matcha and stuff. Partially because, it's full of caffeine. And, besides soda, well, specifically Pepsi, I really can't drink caffeine at all. I can't drink coffees, I can't drink teas. Allergies and rapid temperature changes, yeah. But also just, my neck being all messed up messes with my sinuses. That's why I keep... my nose keeps being weird. Actually, is there something I can blow my nose with? 1 second, let me go grab a tissue. Ooh, doo, 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 doo. a great travesty has occurred. I forgot to put more Pepsi in the fridge, so I just have a lukewarm Pepsi. I have always had this issue. It started in college. I've always had this issue, and now that you mentioned it, I think it is rapid temperature changes that causes it. I've always had this issue, or like I said, it was particularly bad in college. When I walked into the computer lab and I stayed a long time in the computer lab, I would start feeling really sick, like I had a full-on cold, and I don't know what was wrong. Maybe they had black mold in the vents or something. I don't know. It was really weird. Let's take a sip of Beppis. I still don't know what was wrong with that computer lab. Yeah, Jenna, yeah, we're not friends. Environment and people sounds about right. Yeah, that's true. It could also be. It definitely wasn't like me getting sick from the people around me though. I don't know. It was definitely something about the AC. It was definitely something about the AC. I think there was black mold in there. It goes. This is a face. This is a face. How it goes. Because after stream, I'm gonna have to figure out how people can. I want to make this an OBS browser source using. You cannot read chat there. I want to make this an OBS browser source using Unity WebGL, but we all know how Unity WebGL does with files, external files. So that's the bane of my existence right now. I've decided to just completely ignore that that's going to be an issue for right now and chug ahead. I mean, yeah, even just export is so wonky, but I'm just talking about like, because I want users to be able to choose their own files. Now that you've noticed my ahoge zoom, it is quite interesting, isn't it? I think I tuned it perfectly, absolutely perfectly. Because I'm quite an expressive person when I talk, so my eyebrows go up when I'm excited, and yeah. Okay, let's see here. My brain is bad right now. All right, I was looking up this. Where's the actual drop down? Oh, it's on it. Beautiful. Actually, don't need to do this at all. There we go. Absolutely beautiful. How does WebGL read textures from disk? Maybe you can use that. It does it all like internally. You can make it a minimized game capture. See, I don't want to do that though. I don't want to do that because, well, I can't do. There's no point in doing that, first of all, because this is purely audio. Like, this plugin is only audio. So I need it to be an OBS browser source, or OBS source, because then you can control the audio levels in relation to everything else. Although, that makes me realize that I should also probably put a volume slider on this. Let's do that, actually. Yeah. It's a tricky problem, sneezing animation. I guess someone could have a sneezing animation. This is a lot of empty UI. None of this UI does anything right now. The UI is going to be in the browser tab. Actually, that part is done. The UI is just going to be something that's completely hidden until you double click on it. Yeah. A JavaScript plugin? Yeah, that's essentially, I found a tutorial. I think that part of the reason that my model is or is so expressive is because I made it. And so I know my expressions, and I can just I constantly tweak my model. I don't even tell you guys, but I'm constantly adding things and tweaking it, and there's probably been at least like, I mean, not just in this version of my model, there's probably been at least like 15-20 iterations of it. That doesn't even count my old models. I'm just gonna Google if there's WebGL file. Ooh, this interests me because I also have to deal with. This is not. I've used this actually. It's not what I'm looking for. Oh, no, wait, no. This is. Oh no. This is downloading. I do use an iPhone for tracking. Correct. Extreme drift. Ugh. Ooh. Oh ho ho ho. I'm hesitant because actually I've done it in JavaScript as well. Whatever. Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho. See, it's the supports most major browsers thing that makes me very nervous because OBS browser sources aren't exactly major browser. But I might buy this and I'll play around with it. But how do they do it? Open file, select pop-up. Oh, so they just do it like that. How did they do this so that you could actually do it and make it safe? So that it'll allow you to do it. Because I don't know or think my issue being that, like let's say I do this and it works great. It works in OBS. I don't know that OBS has, the OBS browser will allow you to, can I get files just using the files? Yes, it looks like I can. Because I don't want a pop-up. That my problem is the pop-up. I don't think OBS will be able to handle the pop-up. But I can give it a URL. Unfortunately, it does not look like it can read, which is a little annoying. Here's what I was hoping. In my dream of dreams, the way this was gonna work was where I would just read. What is it doing? That was weird. Okay, anyways, it would just read all of the sound files in the streaming assets folder and just put them here. But if I can't read files on the computer, which it makes sense that it wouldn't be allowed to do that, well then I just can't do that now, can I? There you go. How to let the user load an image from their hard drive onto WebGL app. I'm aware of all of their answers. None of them really work for me. See, here's my problem. I don't even want to go out into the computer's main files. I am perfectly fine staying within the project's files. But it won't even do that because, yeah. I am perfectly fine with requiring the user to go into this the folders of this the build and putting stuff there. But if it won't even read that stuff, then I'm just ass out of luck, aren't I? Yeah. Wait, so you guys were talking about Electron apps? What is that? I actually have no idea what that is. Can I encode the sound file as a string and have it be a URL parameter for the browser source? No, because I'm using a ton of sound files. The idea is people will be able to put like, let's say like 12 sound files in this and set it up how they want. Just trying to ease you. I'm in love with you. Yeah, they would also be massive. I could add a bunch of generic sets. I thought about that, but no. But I don't even know, even if that was the solution, Tom, I don't even know how I would do that because the user would have to know what that is. They would have to know what that, like, how would they figure that out? How's this plugin being distributed? Probably itch. Okay, we've been doing nothing. I've been doing nothing. We've been talking. Although this has been productive talk. Hi, Luna. We're all putting all our brain cells together in chat and figuring out how we can overcome the limitations of browser apps. For adding new sound files, the standard file picker should be fine. See, here's the problem. I don't think that within OBS that will be an option. I don't think that OBS's browser can handle browser pop-ups. Why so? I'm making an app where I'm making a VTube Studio plugin where you can basically trigger sounds with the movement of your avatar. And we're trying to figure out how to actually have the user able to feed the sounds in, because this is going to be a WebGL. I want it to be a browser source. That's my parameter. My two parameters are hiccup. I guess the second hiccup isn't coming. My two parameters are OBS source. I need like an OBS source. Yes, the plugin that gave me neck strain. My neck is feeling quite a bit better, by the way. It's about 90% healed. I have some like residual soreness, and if I really crank my neck, it'll come back. But make it a separate config page. But I mean, the problem is like actually reading these audio files into the WebGL application. And because of, you know, browser safety, you can't read local files. I can't, that's the thing. Unity app, what was the reason for it not to be game source? Because game sources don't have their own audio feed. Game capture source does not have its own audio pipe. File picker does work in OBS? Oh shoot, well that's a game changer. Well, maybe we'll just do that then. Server. There's no way I'm doing that. Just from money, time, cost, knowledge, I have none of those things. Well, OBS isn't locked out of local files, but it uses, so it works fine. So yeah, well, it sounds like I could use maybe I could just use, so I found this asset that just lets you, you know, local browser pick files. Yeah, let's just do that then. Well, does it actually, I mean, it actually reads them, right? Yeah, so reads native audio files and videos. There you go. I guess I'll just use this. I'll just try this thing out later. Wait, what are the actual? Oh, good reviews. Error. Okay, not my problem. Not even the version of Unity I'm on. What version do they require? 2021. Who uses the newest build? Suckers. Absolute suckers. There we go. Thank you, Ren, for testing that out so quickly. You were really quick. How did you do that so quick? Anyways, now we have to actually make it work. Pain, Pecco. Okay. Anyways, I was gonna do this thing. Sound list. I did see you got face tracking working. Congrats! Oh wait, remove. Oh wait, first I want to delete it. Okay, instantiate. Nope. Destroy. Ah, yes. The two opposites. Instantiate and destroy. I can't type. I'm sorry, guys. I really just can't type. I'm a bad typer. It's a continuous problem for me as a programmer. You added a browser source for Google image search. Oh, yeah. Do add sound and remove sound have parameters, or if I just work with the sound stack? I'm gonna go to the stack. Now that you mentioned it, I should just make it a stack and not a list, but I've already written the code, so. Which language will implement annihilate? Jedi, yeah, we're not friends. Actually, I should just do this from the manager side, actually. Or, yeah, not many manager. I'm bad at naming variables, sorry. Depth first search by instantiating in the destructor? That's pain, Pecco. That is some big brain. I get it. My small Pepsi and donut riddled brain can't even comprehend that right now. Okay, I need a list. Give me a list. Why did I make this capital? One letter variables for when it's just a little temporary guy, you know. Nothing wrong with a little one letter variable. Yeah. Actually, everything here should be a stack, but ugh. Yeah, this one. And then destroy it. Bam. Nope, not a clip. What is wrong with me? Yeah, and it's gonna complain. Whatever. The story's not strong enough. Gotta, oh, my brain is so bad right now. It's really not good. We've been here for an hour and I've gotten almost nothing done. I don't know how this is actually gonna end up. This is not a list. This is not a list, is it? Oh, that's unsafe. Maybe I'll save it as the whole path. Dot play one off, one shot. Sound files. Sound name. Well, I guess it wouldn't be my name now. I guess actually this is not how any of this because if we're uploading, then it's going to be saved individually by the trigger itself. So this is actually going to have a list of audio clips, not a list of strings that would have been file paths. That was the original plan. Okay. I just had several thoughts that caused me great worry. How's this gonna work when I save it? Should I encode all the audio files? Save them all as just text? Seems weird. What do all you smart people think? Yeah, base 64 into local storage. Yeah, okay. Okay. Fair enough. I still haven't figured. I'll be honest with you guys. Still haven't figured out how to base 64 a PNG to use as the icon for VTube Studio plugins. Still haven't figured that out. Still haven't figured that out. I think it's pretty simple. I just can't find it on the internet. I need someone to tell me. I don't know how to do it. I trust chat's judgment more than you would. There's multiple forms of base 64. Well, specifically... Oh my god, I'm so tired. I really wanted to finish this plugin during this stream, but that's absolutely not happening. And unfortunately, I don't think that means I can finish it this week. I'm very, very busy. Should be a dedicated function for converting binary data to base 64. Take the pixel bytes and group them into 3. Convert .2 from system. Oh. I'm so tired. I think part of my problem was that I was trying to use the... Well, okay, so part of the problem is that I'm starting with a Unity sprite. That's part of the problem. Trying to touch us, trying to in love with you. I'm listening to, oh my god, where is it? I'm so dead. I'm so tired. Not Friends by Luna. Good song. God, that sounds so roundabout. Let's just do this right now. I don't feel like... Now that my brain is on this, I just want to think about this. So, let's see here. Somewhere... Yeah, it takes in an icon. Oops. I guess it doesn't do a gosh darn thing with it. Does it do something with here? Yeah, it takes it in here, but then again it doesn't do... So, okay, here's the part where we need to do something. Let me bring up the VTube Studio API. Oh, by the way, the fact that, okay, I know it's probably just because I'm logged into my Google account, but when I type in VTube Studio API, my stream is the first video that comes up. Sprite has an, yes, okay, Sprite has an encode to PNG. And then just convert, I guess. Base 64 PNG or JPEG with the dimensions of 128 by 128. That's how you know you're regrettably the expert. The problem is, I know the parameters in which I'm working, so I know what's possible. Like, I mean, on the VTube Studio side. On the VTuber side. Implementing those things is a totally different issue. I feel when you Google issues with your code and get your own answers. Oh, let me uncomment it. Well, let's give this a try, shall we? So... hypothetically... system.convert. I'm just straight up taking this directly from chat. So y'all better don't do me dirty. Icon dot... what was it? Oh, sprite.texture. Oh, there it is. What does it actually return? Oh yeah, perfect. You think that'll do it? Let me actually give it a sprite, I guess. So it has to be 128 by 128, so let's actually make that check. Shoot. I know I type out of order. I know it's weird. Okay. Just a little safety check. I know I should put like an error there or something. I'm the only one using this code as far as I'm concerned right now, so. Do I have one? Is there paint on this? No. Let's open up Photoshop. Throw in a new exception. Oh no! I would like a new file by the size of 128 by 128. Good Photoshop. Just gonna really quickly. will change it later, but for now, this gets the idea across. There we go. Save that out as PNG. Not that it really matters, I guess, which format it's in, but whatever. Save that to VTUBER neck crack. Assets. Save. Close. Bye, Photoshop. There it is. Okay. So I should just be able to do this. Let's try. See if that worked. Oh. Oh. Slightly too big. Okay, let's see if that worked. Cross your fingers, cross your toes. Texture icon is not readable. The texture memory cannot be accessed from scripts. You can make the texture readable in the texture import settings. Okay. Texture import settings? Is that a project setting? Or is that a setting on this? I have no idea. Oh, I'm aware where the error came from, but you can make texture readable in texture input. It's on an individual file. Okay. Where? Oh, it's right here. Eh? Nope. It worked! It worked! Let me show you. It worked! See my bad music note? Whoa! Look, there's two of me now. Yay! We solved one of my problems! Oh boy. I'm so unwell. Oh. It just keeps trying to connect if you click deny. I should fix that. Let me write that down actually, so I'm not gonna remember. Where's my sticky notes? If user denies. Don't keep trying. I think you like the scuffed music note icon? Yeah, I'll fix it later. It's fine. Okay. Back to other stuff. Yeah, I wanted to make a sticky note reminding me to, if the user specifically does not allow access to the plugin, then stop trying. Because right now it just keeps trying. It's pretty annoying. Anyways, public transform. Public transform! Sorry. Luna, I know you've also made a lot of jokes like this, but every time I see transform shortened to trans, I'm like, good for her. Especially when it's like tacked on with a bunch of other stuff, you know? Hey, Domo. You came in at quite a time. Anyways, I guess I should just... whatever. Ah! My brain is really bad today. Is it time to eat that donut? Donut and Pepsi doesn't seem like is a good idea. Had to write a translation function that said make trans. Exactly, that's exactly the kind of stuff I'm talking about. Anyways, instantiate. Please, sir, can I have one parameter UI as a treat? Yeah, Jenna, yeah, we're not friends. Yeah, I've noticed that you've been making music, although I haven't gotten the chance to listen to any of them yet. I need to do that. I really need to do that. That's on me. Every time one of your tweets about the music comes up with like a video, I'm like in a state where I can't listen to any audio. You know what I mean? Yeah, audio. Oh, I already just I already did that. Oh boy, look at me. Look at us. Just a couple of folks programming. Parameters dot add UI dot get component. Yes, please, would you get the thing that I asked you to get? Could I write this in one line? Yes. Do I want to? No! God, no. Okay. Save we will worry about later. Oh, they immediately managed to find a bug. Yeah, I mean, that's what's gonna happen. As soon as other people start touching your stuff, they do it in ways you don't expect. I should put add parameter above delete parameter. Or delete, but oh, delete parameters for the, I should just make it way smaller. Put like a spacer. Or, how am I gonna do this? Let's add a panel. Whoa! Add Unity UI! Could you chill for like half a second? This is what happens when you start doing just like an insane amount of layers of horizontal and vertical layout managers. Things start to go really bad really quick. God, I can never get this to work, and so I just use content size fitter. I know that's stupid. It's fine. Yeah, it works. Why is it wrong though? What's happening? Oh, it's just being weird. Okay, so we want to add a spacer here, which is just gonna be another panel. Whoa! Whoa! Wacky! That's wacky. Why did that happen? Why did that happen? Oh, it's... Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross, let's slide. What? That's not right. Why is that happening? That actually doesn't make any sense. Oh! It's because it's pushing... There we go. I figured it out. I got there. I got there. There we go. Get a little of that. Almost looks good. No, not reset, not reset, not reset. There we go. Ha-ha! Why is there a big space here? There we go. Whoa! If you could see my hands right now, I just did the magic. That thing where you like cross your hands in front of yourself and go magic! Like that. One day I'll have my hand tracking done and I'll be able to do stuff. I actually feel like I'm dying right now. I feel like my body's shutting down. I feel like my brain is sending panic signals to every nerve in my body saying, why aren't you in bed right now? This is not okay. You need to end this. Oh, believe me, I have plenty of glucose. I not only have a donut next to me, I also have been drinking Pepsi this whole time. I'm also wearing a jacket because I was a little cold. I might have a fever. It's fine. And it's all, I'm here to tell you, it's all because, well, it's 60%. It's 60% because of my neck injuries and 40% because of how little I slept. So yeah. It's actually mostly my neck injuries. When I injure my neck, it really screws me up. It's really bad. Because it takes a lot for me to hurt for me to hurt my neck. I have a really strong neck. Wow, I'm really hot now. Oh well. Okay, so let's actually start connecting this stuff. Oh, and this is also not gonna be a drop down anymore. I coded this all up to be a drop down. It's not gonna be a drop down. What is it gonna be? I guess it's just a button? Oh no. I forgot. I actually think I need to end this stream because I forgot that every Monday I call with my coworkers and we watch anime. I forgot. So and they're calling me right now and I do want to watch anime. So I will get back to you on all this. There may be another one of these streams this week, a gorilla stream of working on this plugin. Maybe not. I won't make any promises. But, I will see you all not tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm busy. I will see you all on Wednesday for ending my friendship with Farah. On Wednesday. It's all going down. I'm ending my friendship with her live on stream. We're playing Pico Park. So, please come join us. It'll be a hoot and a holler. But I need to go. So goodbye, everyone.